Let's discuss a problem statement. AI integration in academic research presents ethical, operational, and methodological challenges that remains insufficiently addressed in the current literature. The key issue includes the black box nature of AI algorithms, which compromises the transparency and reproducibility, the risk of AI generated biases that may affect research outcomes, and the concern about the academic integrity. This includes plagiarism and the potential for AI-driven academic dishonesty. Additionally, the reliance on AI tools can impact critical thinking and creativity, potentially undermine the quality and rigor of academic research. While AI offers uh, promising enhancements to research productivity, there is a critical need for an ethical and responsible framework that addresses the challenges to ensure the credibility, integrity, and reliability of AI assisted academic work. There are a few research questions, those will be trying answered while conducting this research. The first one: what are the primary ethical concerns associated with the integration of generative AI tools like ChatGPT into academic research, particularly regarding the transparency, plagiarism, and reproducibility? And the second one: how does reliance on generative AI tools impact the critical thinking, creativity, and scholarly rigor of researchers in academic setting? The third one: to what extent are the current AI detection tools effect in mitigation academic integrity issues such as plagiarism and AI bias, especially in the context of evolving AI models like ChatGPT 4 and the many more? And the fourth one: what governance framework and ethical guidelines can be developed to ensure responsibility integration of AI tools in academic research, or while maintaining the quality and credibility of the research output? The fifth and the last one: how does the black box nature of AI generated algorithms affect the reproducibility and reliability of AI assisted academic research? There are few keywords related to subjects ChatGPT and education AI. With the help of keywords, we try to figure out the research papers and identify the potential literature review. Ethical, the keywords includes ethical artificial intelligence assisted learning, systematic literature review, etc. These are the few research queries suggestions that were used while exploring the research papers for the primary, secondary research or systematic literature review. The filters and the databases and research query all are included in this table. It is a high-level overview of the workflow that we adopted as a research methodology. First of all, we define the research objectives and develop research questions. You can see in our previous slides, and then define the relevant research queries, and then exploring the relevant digital prominent libraries, the filter of relevant papers, analysis of the paper, and then at the end the report finding. This presentation is not covering the SLR, but the but the background are the footprint towards the SLR as per the given agenda and the templates in assignment. However, the literature view is complete and has been submitted in a final term. Now let's discuss some experimental and evaluation method for this research. Let's have a look on these slides. To develop an experimental and evaluation method addressing the ethical, operational, and methodological challenges of generative AI in academic research, we can focus on investigating several key areas. The transparency of AI tools, bias in AI generated content, reproducibility of research results, and impact of AI on research integrity. Here is some detailed outline. The first of all, the experiment design, where we discuss some objectives of experiment design, and the next one, the second part of experiment design, the experiment components, that includes the participants, AI tools for analysis, control and treatment groups, and further we divided the control treatment groups into the control groups and the treatment groups. In next part are some tasks that are the part of this experiment design. And the first, this task is further classifying subtasks like literature review and the content generation, data interpretation and biases identification, the citation management, and ethical reviews as well. Let's move forward. The evaluation method for this study would be, the first point is biasism and ethical assessment. There are few categories. The first one, content biasism and its detection, the plagiarism and its detection, fabrication references, the fabricated references. So the next one is a qualitative analysis. The first one would be thematical analysis of interviews and the surveys. The second one, comparative analysis of group output. Moving forward, some statistical testing would be conducted, and that will be t-test or ANOVA. The next one would be the ethical and the transparency framework evaluation. Basically, it is the core part. As we know, we want some ethical framework towards the utilization of AI responsible research. The expected outcomes would be of this research would be based on these points. The first outcome would be the quantitative outcome. The next one would be the qualitative outcome. The third and the last one would be the framework and recommendations. Last but not least, these are the list of references.